Hey guys, it's just Yellow back with another video. So today we're gonna be going to volcano, an active volcano. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on, man. So, guys, ignore that screaming in the background. Whoever's getting freaking abused back there, I don't know what to do. Because that's not from mine. That's not. If you even hear the screaming, that's not from any of my siblings or. Let's go. What?
Oh, yes, I did it. I didn't put it. What?
Ooh, who the?
Yes, look at it.
Okay. So, here. Oh, what is going on? Okay. I'm terrified. So, I'm getting out of here. I can.
Oh, what the? What the fudge? Bro, what the fuck is happening?
Out of here. I'm skedaddle out of here. Let me skedaddle out of here, bro. Cause
Come on, I got hit.
come on.
I am.
Come on. Hurry up.
Something Wow. Oh my god. It's a fake. It's a fake ghost.
La 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 la.
He's a fake
We're going to the
ghost.
floor of lava. So
He's a fake ghost.
on to your tails. We're gonna play the floor is lava.
Guys, I got burnt by accident. I gotta go. Where's the Cody's place at? I need a
As you can see, people are already putting rocks into the
I'm
volcano.
the void element. Even though I got frozen.
the void element.
What element am I? Void. I'm galactic element.
So it's gonna be good.
What element am I?
Okay.
Galactic element.
Let's just do this.
I'm sorry.
Guys, I'm doing a video. We're just gonna do this all together.
I'm galaxy element.
Okay, I'm really sorry.
Yeah.
Please.
You're not starting it. Guys, come to stop
boy.
if you want.
It's starting. It's starting. Oh boy.
I'm part meteor monster.
It's starting. Let's go.
Can somebody give me a fan? I need a suntan.
Oh my god, that's some lava.
Guys,
That's some.
Guys, come to stop if you want to join me. I want to join you, but I can't get to the top.
That's some weird lava.
Yo, come to stop if you want to join me. I can't get up there. I don't know how yet. Just grab my hand. Someone help. I can't find.
Oh
my god.
I just got
Guys,
Oh, God.
stop me, I don't need your weapons, so I know the weakness.
There's lava everywhere. I gotta go.
I
gotta get to the top of the
Come on, top of stump if you want to join me.
Somehow. Hopefully.
Yo, Blue, you need help?
Yeah.
One more.
I'd like that.
You want to join me? You want to join me?
No thank you. I'm just trying to avoid the lava.
Yo, join me, Blue. Please join me. Yeah.
I don't really want to though. I just tried to avoid the lava.
Oh, whatever. Alright, I'm mission is to take out a lot of lava and not be
That's
in here.
a lot of lava.
Alright, join me, bro. Join me. Help me. Help.
So,
Yo, grab my hand, bro.
that's a lot of lava. Oh, it's rising.
Now I'm gonna get blown.
I'm terrified.
Who do we still have on our team right now?
Bro, this is terrifying. That's terrifying. Terrifying.
See him? We have to kill him. I think.
That's, it's getting higher. Oh my god.
We have to knock him in.
Guys.
Come on, I just survived that.
Let's go.
I just survived
Medium over there. I can easily survive a lot of things.
Oh no. It's rising. It's even in the. Oh no. We are a friend. Okay.
Alright, meet us over there. Brown. Who's trying to kill him? I'm orange. Alright, bring him over there. I mean orange. Yeah, I'm giving you a I always brown. Who cares? No, I'm gonna kill you. You didn't help me! You're just a lava demon. You're my brother. We're saving you, bro. You're getting like a 100-degree burn, bro.
I want to get up here. Hot. I survived.
No, you didn't.
I can survive everything.
Oh god. Oh.
Oh my god, fireworks, bro.
No, help! Help me!
Fireworks.
Help me! Help!
Fireworks not working? Give me. I survived.
Help!
Throw the fireworks at them, kill them right now.
Idiots!
I mean, don't.
Help me!
Yo, you
Melting!
good guy.
Help! I'm burning! I'm gonna die!
That's mine. Oh, we'll join us. Yeah, come on, chill. Come on, let's die.
We have to go. We need to kill that guy. He refused to join us.
Alright. Are you dead? No.
I was getting
Okay. No, the lava's melting. 90 seconds. Oh, I'm done.
Okay, I'm kind of still burnt.
No,
That's fine.
random
I'm
guy in the lava here. Everybody and go.
Aaron, let me tell you who we have to ooh. We have to kill this guy.
Guys, join me if you want to survive.
Okay.
Hey, I refuse to join too!
Alright, well, you thought you would be killed because there ain't no more monster.
Dude, he's
Guys, come on top of stuff if you want to survive.
Okay.
Where is he at?
I am all of you. If you come on top of stuff, I am your leader. No, you're not. You will survive. I'm their leader. I'm their leader. Well,
Grab him and
but we
so slow.
Alright. If there's
I'm
if
cheeks
there's
at
somebody
this.
that doesn't want to join us,
He's not going.
ow. If there's somebody that doesn't want to join us,
Come here, Gray.
shut up,
What's your
Gray.
No, everyone. We need a soccer.
Bro, where's
We
the
need
rest
a
of
soccer
them? I need to get my
I can't get up.
If you guys don't join me, I'll kill you right now.
Volcano.
I need
My thing is literally.
You want help? Join me then.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
No!
One moment, buddy.
15% damage.
Look, I give up.
We need to fill up the volcano.
Oh my.
I give up.
One moment, Red.
I'm not.
Bye, guys.
How do I get
Juicy
out of this?
Jello.
Let me grab the other
Ouch.
game. Here, this is my good game. Sorry, this is my good
What
game.
is this? Did anybody do it on the
One moment, one moment.
on